Palestine Square. You can see behind me the community college. You can see there the Alpha Luna Society for Deaf Children. You can see government buildings. You can see civilian buildings. From outside, everything looks normal. Everything looks like a regular city. When you go inside, you can see on the left side a garage, which is not a garage, it's a workshop. You enter inside, you see a workshop for tunnels. They're building tunnels here. Come with me. You can see inside here, deep down, a tunnel which was built for the last few months. You can see here the lift, heavy duty lift. You can see the phone there with communication down to the tunnel. You can see all around here cement and concrete and equipment for building the tunnel inside. All of these are the walls for the tunnel, which are taken down with the high lift. This is the head of the tunnels. You put those walls on the sides, these on the top, and this is the tunnel that runs for miles and miles.